Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on brand storytelling. Let's start with the introduction. The united narrative that entwines together the facts and emotions that a brand evokes is called brand storytelling. Storytelling helps consumers make an emotional and personal connection with the brand. It also helps in empathizing with your audience by telling your customer's story. In recent times, companies have ventured into storytelling with branded content to help create strong connections with their customers. Let's look at the importance of storytelling. Great storytelling is a part of brand marketing because it allows customers to get personal with the brand's personality and values. If through storytelling, a marketer can promote a company's authenticity, it will make customers trust the company and develop a bond that is sure to be long-lasting. Other than giving customers reasons to buy the product or service, businesses need to share their real-life stories like why it exists, why it matters, and what is dear to them across all communications. Now let's look at elements for a successful brand storytelling. The few elements for marketers to consider while compiling a successful brand narrative are: first, create a storyline. Second, show how the product or service can improve the consumer's life. Third, establish an emotional connection. Fourth, using data to support the narrative. Fifth, making it resonate. And finally, leverage social media. Now let's look at each one of them briefly, starting with creating a storyline. Every brand narrative needs a captivating storyline. This helps in setting the stage for the consumers to learn about the brand's history, values, and what makes the brand unique. Next, show how the product or service can improve the consumer's life. The change not necessarily needs to be a huge change, it needs to be an improvement of some calibration. Next, establishing an emotional connection. The brand that manages to make a positive impact on the emotions of the audience through its narrative can be called a successful brand narrative. Number 4. Using data to support the narrative. It helps when the brand's message and story is backed by data from trustworthy sources. Data can also be used to tell the actual story, like how the company has grown over the past year, how the consumers have reacted and interacted with the company. Example, your streaming trends from 2010 to 2019 are revealed in Spotify Wrapped 2019. Next, make it resonate. For the story to be memorable and reverberate with the consumers for days and years to come is the ultimate goal for every storyline. Example, Dove. Dove called out the difference between how women look and how they feel in its viral video which promoted the Real Beauty campaign. Next, leverage social media. Now brands have it easier than ever to get their message out to the public through a variety of mediums due to the growth of social media. Now let's look at some examples, starting with Airbnb's campaign, Until We All Belong. In 2017, Airbnb's Until We All Belong campaign supported marriage equality in Australia. Airbnb, as a part of the campaign, created the acceptance ring designed by Mark Newson and called on Australians to show their acceptance of marriage equality by wearing the ring. This ring featured a tiny gap which represented the gap in marriage equality. They were in such high demand that Airbnb had to limit them to 2 per person and share the stories of Australians fighting for marriage equality. The campaign asked people to commit to wearing the ring until same-sex marriage was recognized in Australia. Next up is the Apple campaign, Apple at Work, The Underdogs. Apple tried the long-form storytelling marketing campaign which featured 4 colleagues that were clear underdogs. After a chance run-in with their boss, the team had to prepare an idea and pitch it to her in 2 days. This fast-paced, quirky video showed the team creating a prototype, brainstorming branding ideas, consulting with other departments, and preparing for the presentation. All the frantic work and collaboration happens on trusted Apple products. Moving further, Apple's next campaign features the same underdogs, but this time working from home and adapting to the new normal. The lockdown edition of Apple at Work, The Underdogs humorously captures all the frustration, video blunders, and family responsibilities that come with working from home. It manages to keep us all entertained while flawlessly articulating Apple's products like the iPad, iPhone, iMac, and MacBook. During the 7 minutes of the video, we are shown how the underdogs deal with similar problems just like the rest of us. They deal with the fact that an old project has been recircuited and they need to start work on it while at home, not to mention the budget slash and the timescale changes. And finally, Nike's campaign, You Can't Stop Us, that came up during the pandemic. Nike, for its latest You Can't Stop Us campaign, stitched old videos together from the archival footage in a way that has been praised on social media as a marvel of editing. The video shows us the unifying power of sports in a time like this where when the coronavirus pandemic has postponed or cancelled many sporting events. The 1 minute 30-second video features the likes of LeBron James, Cristiano Ronaldo, Serena Williams, Colin Kaepernick, and the Indian women's cricket team for a split second. No matter how bad it gets, we will always come back stronger. This line in the ad captures the essence of hope nicely. Moving further, the advertisement features 36 powerful pairings of athletes with a voiceover by American soccer player Megan Rapinoe. Nike's team reportedly combed through 4,000 pieces of footage to create the astonishing montage, which collected more than 13 million views in less than a day on Twitter alone. Total YouTube views as of September 2019 for the video were around 58.3 million. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on brand storytelling. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.